man, now who didn't clean up after their dog? Ah, damn it. Alright, so today I want to get started working on the Gibson Classic. Get it all set up. And yeah. If you hear any noise in the background, that is just the furnace running. I turned the exhaust fan off inside here, so you might hear the furnace turn on and off every now and again. So let's get this puppy out. All right.
What? What the fuck?
All right, so I'm going to do things a little bit differently this time, as far as how I've been doing things, as far as the setup goes. Now, this came from Z-Sounds, brand new. Z-Sounds, I don't think, do any type of a setup on their guitar unless you ask them to, and I think it's an extra charge as well. Probably the same thing as Sweetwater. But anyways, what I want to do is, since this is straight from the factory, out of the box, I'm going to go over things and take measurements before I change anything. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to get this thing in tune. Because when it's not in tune, there is pretty much the relief in the neck is probably, you know, the strings are loose, so it's not putting any tension on the neck. So if I get it in tune, standard E, it's going to probably add some relief or add some pull to the neck and show me what the relief is, so I can get an accurate measurement. So right now, yeah, this thing is really, really out of tune. Oh, come on already. Alright, so now the guitar is tuned up. What I want to do is basically check the relief in the neck. So I'm going to use my capo, first fret. Get my 12,000, sorry. 12,000s, and I want to check to see what that relief is. So fret at the where the neck meets the body, and it's not pushing the string, but I can hear it rubbing the string. So it's approximately what I would set it at, 12,000s. So let's check the action height at the 12th fret. You can go 12th, 17th fret, whatever you want to do. And I'm looking at, well, on this card here, there is a black line. And I would suspect that that black line is where you want the string on top of. And it's a little over 5/64. And on the high side, I am looking at basically a 16th on the dot. So you got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. At the 17th, yeah, it's a little bit higher at the 17th fret. And yeah, it's a little bit higher than the 16th. So that's the action height at the 17th fret. Now, action height on the 1st fret. Now, I would like to see something around 17, 18 thousandths. So let's see here. Here's a 17. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it does say 17 on there. So I'm going to slide that underneath the low E string. Make sure I'm sitting flat on that fret. Yeah, it's... she's high. Where the fuck did these bees come from now? God damn it. Fuck. How high is she? Let's see here. Let's go with a... see if a 22,000s. See if my eyes are good. Just touching 22,000s at the first fret. So here is a 22,000s, if you could see that. I'm not sure if you can. So that's what I'm looking at. So this is the beginning of a setup. And well, let's one more thing here. Use my, this is 1/8. Too close. Way too close. And then here is my 3/32s. Not close enough. That one's too close. No, actually, no, this one is too close as well. So the pickup heights are too close on this thing. This is set up from the factory at Gibson. Nobody else touched it. So what do you guys think? Should I put the poker chip on here or not? Because I noticed that this is loose. They did not tighten it up. So I'm kind of wondering if, you know, your option is for the poker chip or not. But so let's get it back here. I also want to show a little bit of the inside. Make sure I'm in the camera here. Yes. The inside cavity of this puppy. Where is my Phillips? To see if they did the same thing where you can change the pickups on this thing pretty easily or not. Not used to this very thin body. Alright, let's see what we got in here as far as the surprise goes. Alright, everything is plug and play. It says Gibson on the board, so let me bring you guys in a little bit for a closer look. So yeah, everything is plug and play, just like it would be on the HP one that I've got. So here's your ground. Got your neck pickup, bridge pickup, your switch, your output jack. Everything's on this nice little board here. And I take it these are your capacitors for your tone controls. Yeah, alright. So let's start doing the work for this thing to get this thing set up. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you next time.